Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Now in this session we'll be looking at how we can add and uh, discounts and tax to our sale process. Okay, so uh, to do that, first thing we need to do is go to our settings. Okay, then we'll go to discount here. So let's add a new discount. So you can say Salah sales 5%, and let's say we are doing it to the end of the month, and we can activate our discount. Save. Okay, so we have a discount added. So anything we sell, okay, in this store, 5% discount will be added to it. Okay, that's what this means, right? So let's go to sell, for instance. Now then we have our trouser. So if we add this to cart, so automatically you can see that we have 5% discount added. So this is 1000, the 5% discount is 15 naira, and now we have 950. So if I place this order, choose cash, then submit. So you can see from our receipt, we have a discount of 15 naira, and now your total cost is this. The subtotal was 1000, okay, and now it's 950 because we added a discount. Okay, so if you go to sales history and you click on that particular item, you can see it's showing 950 here. So it gives you a breakdown with a discount of 15 naira, total item cost of 1000, but then your total is 950 because of the discount here. Okay, so that's cool. Now the next thing we'll look at here is so let's deactivate okay, no need to even deactivate that. Let's go back to sell and let's try to sell this item again. So we can actually add a discount while we want to sell if peradventure we want to increase or decrease this particular discount without changing the main setup of our discounts. So if we place order and we choose cash, okay, right here you can select your customer if you want, then you can add a discount to order. If I click on add discount to order to ask me for type, okay, so if I choose any of this type, remember it's showing here that this will override the existing discounts. So the 5% discount you have before will be overridden by any discounts you choose here. So if I choose percentage now, for instance, and I do 10 as the value, now 10% discount has been added. Okay, and if I choose amount and I choose 150, okay, automatically 150 will be the discount added to this particular item. So if I submit, you can see we have a discount of 150 here. Okay, and then we can continue. So if I go to the sales history and I click here, you can see we're having 850. Okay, the main product item is 1000 naira, but there was a discount of 150, and the total the person paid was 850. Okay, so that is how our discount works. Now let's look at how we can use the tax. Now for tax, let's go back to the settings again. Now we see tax here, so I can add tax here. So let me just add a tax. You can say VAT. Okay, let's say our VAT is 7%, right? Then we can activate our tax. You can save this. Okay, so you can have both discount and tax at the same time, right? So let's sell an item. Let's add this. So here you can see we have a 5% discount and a 7% tax added to what we have here. Okay, so usually Ovaloop does the discount before adding the tax, so you don't have to pay tax for what you're not paying for. Okay, so the discount is applied to the item before the tax is applied. So if we place this order, okay, and we submit, on your receipts you'll be seeing your total tax and your total discount. And the reason why we have this is because you can have more than one tax. Okay, so we can go back to our settings. Under tax we can add another tax. Let's say consumption tax. Okay, and let's say that's another 5%, and let's activate that and we save. So if we go to our cell page and we add this, you can see now we have 12% of tax. Okay, and when we place order and we submit, you can see here that we have 114 naira as tax, 15 naira as discount. Okay, so this is how we can apply tax and discounts to our sales. Okay, so when you don't want any of this, you can just go back to your tax here. This is active, so you can edit and you can just uncheck this and it becomes inactive right here. Okay, same thing here, you can uncheck this and it becomes inactive. The same thing goes for the discounts. Okay, you can edit this, you can uncheck it. So for the discounts we have an expiry date, so when it gets to these dates, okay, the discount cease to automatically apply to any item being sold. But if you don't want it to get to that date, you can come here and deactivate it manually and you can save and it goes away. So when this is inactive, when you go to your sell page and you add an item to cart, there is no deduction, so the prices are as it is. Okay, so that's all about tax and discounts. So if you have any question, you can ask below and we'll give you a response as soon as possible. See you in our next video.